Hello beautiful people! How are you doing today? I'm coming your way with a totally different video, something that I haven't done before, but I think is going to be very fun for you to watch. I am going to do a series of videos with my favorites, the products that I'm currently using and loving, and I think that they are great and that everyone should know more about those products. Some of them you might see in my videos because I've used it, I've tried it, I've worn it, and I've loved it. And if I feel that they are worth mentioning again and again, I feel that this is what we're gonna do. And it's gonna make us so much closer, so this is amazing. And it could be our morning thing. We could, have coffee. Oh, it could be our chit-chat thing. It's gonna feel like we are sitting together, drinking coffee and talking about all our favorite products. It's gonna be our girl talk or something. Anyways, couple products that I'm mentioning. It's not a lot. We're just, testing the grounds, testing the waters of the whole favorites thing. But these are the products that I am mentioning. The first product, you've heard me using it. It's nothing new, but it works. It's great. I love it. This is YSL Baby Doll Kiss and Blush. Gorgeous color, amazing product, 2-in-1. You could use it on your lips, on your cheeks. It brings so much joy and health to your face. And it's just, a little pick-me-up. It's just you would apply it a little bit on your cheeks, a little bit on your lips, and you're very alive and fresh and rested. It's a really good product to have. I love it. There's a bunch of colors. Try it. Let me know. Amazing. Yes. Another one that I've already used and mentioned in my video, Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. It's a compact. It's amazing. If you need a really good compact, like a really good product, or you would feel like you would want to invest in something luxurious, professional, good, and something that photographs well, you have to try it. It's a very fine milled powder with a great payoff. It doesn't make you look dry or cakey. It's just so good. Definitely try it. You're gonna thank me because it could be applied all over, just a little bit where you are shiny. This is something definitely to try. Please do. This is amazing. Another one. So the YSL is, it's called I Do Smoker number 3. This one is called Magnetic Matte Eye Color. Magnetic Matte Eye Color. The color is taupe. So this one is from Nudestix. This is a pencil that has to be sharpened, but a good thing, it comes with a sharpener, so you don't have to worry if you don't have a sharpener for it. Colors are amazing. The cool thing is it is a primer and a pencil. It's a 2-in-1. The staying power is amazing. It lasts all day, all night. Depends the look you are going for. The color range is amazing. I am planning on getting more because this is more of a neutral but a little bit on the dark side. There are great blacks and sparkly colors, natural nudes, brownish, reddish colors, beautiful range of colors. So definitely try this. And this baby is amazing because it's double-ended. The one side is a gorgeous matte brown color. The other one is like a gold champagne color. I'm not into shimmers. I am matte eyeshadow type of girl, but I'm kind of forcing myself to love shimmers because they look good. And while your eyelids can pull off shimmer, you gotta do it because later on you get older, it just picks up too much color and all the wrinkles and everything is more noticeable. So while we can, we should embrace the sparkle and it makes you more alive and youthful, and we'll get into that later. But yeah, this pencil is gorgeous. It's a mechanic one, so it's you don't have to sharpen it, which is a good thing. And then it's so easy, so whenever you don't have time to apply your makeup, you can apply it whenever, wherever. It's so fast and easy. You don't have to have tons of brushes with you. You can use your finger to blend it. The only thing I wanted to mention with the Nudestix pencil, it does set, so work fast. And I think you should do one eye first, blend it, and then do the other one, just so it wouldn't set that weirdly and you wouldn't be able to blend it out. But these two products are amazing. I've used them so much. They've been so helpful. I love it. And you know that I'm going to be recommending only the good products that I'm loving myself. They might not work for you because your skin is different or your lifestyle or whatever, but you won't be able to say that the product is just bad because I wouldn't do this to you, you know. Brows are major right now. Brows are everything. We want them bold, we want them fluffy, feathery, you name it. It's just a brow era. It's just wow. I haven't been blessed with beautiful, thick, gorgeous, fluffy eyebrows, but I am pretending that I have. So every tool in my arsenal, everything I know has been applied on them. And I've never loved brow gel so much because, as it turns out, I've never found the one that is perfect for me. I was purchasing something at Sephora, and you know they have those little samples for the points you can for the points you're collecting, you can get a product. And I got this beautiful clear brow gel from Anastasia. This is a smaller version, and I was like, oh, you know what? I'm gonna try it out. And oh my God, my life has changed, and my brow game changed for sure. The hold on this thing is amazing. They just stay in place, they don't move. I have to try the other one with the colored one, so I want to test out how those ones work. But if you are blessed with gorgeous eyebrows and you just need a little bit of hold and fix here and there, that would be the bomb for you, because the hold is amazing. And they just open up your eye, they stay in place, they're gorgeous and feathery, and you don't need to apply much because they're gonna stay in place where you want them. Just a little bit of you know, filling in if you need to, and done. Gorgeous product. Unfortunately, it's definitely not gonna be enough if you have sparse brows, if you don't have much to work with, but it will help with the overall appearance of your eyebrow. It would make it look bushier, fluffier, even though there's nothing there. But you would fill in, you would draw whatever you need to, and you know, and this will finish it off nicely. Definitely something to try. And the last thing that changed my life recently, and I feel that I don't know how I lived without it, and it's just everything. My life is never going to be the same. During the Sephora sale that we just had, I purchased this Mount Ply, the Rose Quartz Gua Sha tool. It comes in a box like this. You would open it, and there's beautiful rose quartz tool that is a face massager and muscle tension reliever. But hear me out. It is a gorgeous tool. It's cold because it's a rose quartz. You would massage your face like so. You would massage your forehead and your jawline like this. You do it and you feel like, no, it's not gonna work. It's one of those weird things. Like, I don't know how I feel about it. But let me tell you, you do it for a week and then we'll talk, because this is gorgeous. It does work. It relieves the tension, the puffiness, the tight jaw muscles if you have them. Because it's cold, the puffiness goes away. Your face looks more plump, more youthful, and it's just overall you feel amazing that you are actually doing something beneficial for your face. But this gem. But this gem not only relieves tension and massages your face and all that, you can actually use it right here on the nape of your neck. I'm not sure if you see it. Right here, and it will relieve the tension if you have it. I've been struggling with extreme headaches and like muscle tension right here because I slouch. And this is just life-changing. Oh my God. Product is amazing. Please get it if you are into the whole skincare thing. And the facial massages are very in. Not all of us have time to actually go to the salon and have the massage, but we all do apply a little bit of skincare at night, in the morning. Please just use it a little bit here and there and your skin will thank you. So this is a really cool tool. It's not that expensive. Please try it out and definitely let me know, because this tool is everything. It's life-changing, but please be careful with it because it is a rose quartz. It might break. Be careful with it. Just love and care. So this is it, my beautiful people. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that this at least has been interesting and hopefully useful. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you want to see more videos like that. And until next time, stay healthy, gorgeous, and beautiful. And I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.